Okay, we're gonna start by adding some starch, cornstarch that is, because we want our wings to be crispy. So we're gonna put a little cornstarch in there. We're gonna add a little Mrs. Dash. We're going to add some chili powder. So we're making about 3 pounds of wings, so we gotta get enough seasoning in there to coat them all. We're going to add some ground cumin. And we are going to add some sweet paprika, just to give it a little smoky flavor. Put that in there. Then we are going to add our Southwest seasoning. This is going to give us that blooming onion flavor. So we're going to mix that in there. And we're going to add just a tad bit of salt and pepper. Let's put a little pepper in there. And we're going to get this all mixed up. My wings have already been washed and dried. We're going to mix this up. Try to get as many of the lumps out because we want this flavor to be all mixed up together. Let's take a little bit out. And we are just going to dump our wings into that. Then we are going to mix this up into the sauce, into those seasonings. We're just going to we want to get them all coated. So just keep turning them around in those seasonings because we want them nice and coated. Because we're going to have chicken that is oh so flavorful. So as we get these all mixed up, if you see you got a little more seasoning, make sure you get all that chicken in the middle, because that chicken in the middle loves to hide. So we're going to get this all seasoned up. Okay, I've greased my cast iron skillet with just a little oil because we're going to put these in the oven at 425 for about 20 minutes. And halfway through, I will turn them over. So we're just going to lay them all out here and get them in the oven. So they'll cook up nice and crispy. We want to leave a little room so the air can flow between them so they can get crispy. And here's our bloomin' chicken. If you love bloomin' onions, you are absolutely going to love booming chicken. Remember, cook with the ones you love and love the ones you cook.